I am going to take this small drone, and using this drone we will understand some motion and some term of any flying machine. It may be helicopter, it may be aeroplane, it may be drone. So first we will discuss about the roll. What is roll? So if this drone or this quadcopter will rotate like this, so if it will rotate by this axis, this is one axis, and if this drone or this quadcopter is rotate about this axis, then this motion is called a rolling or roll motion. This motion is called a roll motion, and this motion is also known as a aileron motion. So when we are going to set up our KK 2.1.5 flat controller, there we will see in PI tuning, we will see there is one option, that is aileron tuning. There we will give some P and I values. So we should understand what is actually roll, or what is actually aileron motion. So this motion is a aileron motion. This motion is aileron motion. Next we are going to discuss about pitch motion, and pitch motion is also known as elevator motion. So if this copter is rotating about this axis, so if this is axis and this is rotating like this or this, see this one is axis. If this one is rotating like this or this, so this motion is called a pitch motion or elevator. If this quadcopter is rotating about this axis, so this is pitch motion or elevator motion. Next is motion is the yaw motion, and it is also known as a rudder motion. If this drone, or if this quadcopter is rotating like this, if this quadcopter is rotating about this axis, let's suppose we are talking about this axis. If this quadcopter will rotate about this axis, so it will rotate like this. So this motion is called a yaw motion or rudder motion. So this motion is yaw or rudder motion. We are going to discuss about movement of this drone. So as we know, like these four motors provide thrust to this drone, and these thrusts will take this drone into upside. So if the thrust force is greater than its weight or its mg force, then this drone will be going to upside in the up direction. If the thrust force is less than its weight, then this quadcopter will go into down direction. So for the motion in the backward and forward direction, if we want to move this drone in the forward direction, uh, we need to generate the component of thrust in the forward direction. So this is done by the increasing of power of the rear motors and reducing the power of the front motors. If we reduce the power of these two front motors and we increase the power of these back or rear motors, then we will get one component of thrust in the upward direction. Then this drone will move in the upward direction. So if we want to move this drone in backward direction, then we reduce the power of these motors and increase the power of front motors. Then this drone will be go in the backward direction. So if we now we are going to discuss about the motion of left and right direction. So to move this drone into left direction, we generate a component of thrust in the left direction. So this is done by increasing the power of the right motors and decreasing the power of the left motors. If we increase the power of right motors and decrease the power of left motor, we will get a component of thrust into left direction. So then this will move into left direction. So to move this drone into right direction, we increase the power of left motors and reduce the power of right motors. So now we want to discuss the yaw motion of this quadcopter. What is yaw motion? I already told this motion is the yaw motion. So you can see like it can rotate or either clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. So for yaw movement, things get a bit tricky when we want to yaw drone in the clockwise direction. So this one is the clockwise direction. So for this we will increase the power of the anti-clockwise motor. So these are the anti-clockwise motors. If we will increase the power of this anti-clockwise motor, then this quadcopter will rotate into clockwise direction. If we will increase the power of clockwise direction motor, and we will reduce the power of anti-clockwise rotating motor, then this will move into anti-clockwise direction.